For travelers going south and west from Baltimore the next couple of days, you're going to have to deal with the snow from this storm, and it's going to be a close call for us here in Maryland. Tom's going to talk about that in just a second, but let's take a look at the storm right now. It's just now coming on shore in the Pacific Northwest. It doesn't look like much at the present time, but storm's just getting its act together in the Pacific Northwest. Then it'll track down into the southern plains and eventually over to the East Coast. So let's take a look at the snowfall forecast if you are traveling over the next couple of days. We'll take the time frame into Wednesday morning. You see a nice swath of snow forecasted here across portions of the Plain States, Kansas, Missouri, parts of southern Illinois, even into Kentucky and Tennessee. Now, where does the storm go after that? That's the important part of the forecast for us. Right now, it looks like the bulk of it will stay south of Maryland, and the bullseye would be down towards Virginia, maybe even the northern part of North Carolina. Here's a closer look at some of the snowfall forecast. There could be close to a foot of snow down around Norfolk if you're going that way. 5 inches in Richmond, 5 inches in Charleston. Now, it would only take a small shift in this track to get Baltimore back into the significant snow, so it's going to be a close call.